Alright, hey, today I'm gonna be do fidget spinner trick shots. Be quiet, Sarah. Alright. That's one trick. I can't flip it into like I can't do this. You flip it, like you flip this and then flip it into the other finger. I can't do that. That's really hard. So, alright. Left finger. And I can also just like let it, just like all you gotta do is just loosen it like this, like barely hold it, and then you could go to the next finger, and then I can do it on my knee too. Alright, that's gonna wrap up the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Please leave a like and subscribe and comment down below. Goodbye.